The Winnebago 1, a small spacecraft by Varda Space Industries, remains stranded 500 kilometers above Earth, waiting for clearance to land in Utah. It was meant to return in early September, carrying HIV and hepatitis-C antiviral Ritonavir. Bureaucratic hurdles have kept it in orbit at 30,000 kilometers per hour due to conflicts with U.S. government agencies. Varda, a startup based in Torrance, California, is on a mission to enable pharmaceutical manufacturing in microgravity by making low Earth orbit accessible. Winnebago 1 is part of a series of missions with identical satellites launched by partners like Rocket Lab and SpaceX. While most private satellites burn up on re-entry, Varda sought to return space-made medicines. The company selected the Utah Test and Training Range for landing and worked with the military and the FAA to obtain approvals. Safety requirements included a flight safety analysis, focusing on early re-entry mishaps. FAA coordination issues led to a license denial in September. Varda requested reconsideration from the FAA but also sought an FCC extension for radio communication. In the meantime, they explored partnerships with the Koonibba test range in Australia. Varda's struggles emphasize the need for more resources and responsive agencies in the commercial space sector, as noted by SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic during a recent Senate hearing. The FAA awaits the required revised license application for reconsideration, leaving the fate of the space-based drug factory in limbo. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to support independent news.